In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Add Music to Profile is not showing in Instagram. So what we need to do is go to our profile on Instagram, then click on Edit Profile. After that, if you scroll down, you will see an option to add music to your profile. If it's not showing up, then we have a couple of steps you can follow to fix this problem. So we will head out, and what you need to do if you are on Android, click on the app and remove the app and reinstall it again. For the iPhone it's a little bit more simple. Go to apps, then search for Instagram and make sure the app is updated. If it's still not showing up after this update, then you head out and go to settings. We will go to settings and offload the app. It removes all unnecessary documents and data. And once you have done this, it reinstalls the app automatically. So head out again, go back to your Instagram profile and check if it's now visible again. If it's still not visible, there is a possibility that it's not available in your country yet. So have a little bit of patience and wait for a couple of days to weeks.